Affiliate marketing is great for beginners, and especially if you use Pinterest. It just has a lot of traffic, and the demographics are interesting. Pinterest has 1 billion total visits each month on it, and they have perfect tool. This is trends. Pinterest trends, and when you find the keyword like this one is, which has a lot of reach, a lot of traffic, you've got yourself a gold mine. You just have to work on it, you just have to find the products, and the money is there. The business model of affiliate marketing, I think that everyone knows that. You just drive the traffic to certain products and the company gives you the commission. Finding those products is not so hard, but just getting the right product to promote on your Pinterest profile, well, it's tricky. But this tool is free, and all you gotta do is to invest some time in it. It's called Pinterest Trends, as you can see, and it is over at trends.pinterest.com. Right away, I want to tell you that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and you will not get thousands of dollars the next week. You have to work for it. You have to do some kind of a research, but it's not hard. You just sit down at your computer. For example, I can just type in, I don't know, gardening. Let's say I type in gardening, and you will get a lot of these search results. All right. This is basically a cheat sheet for us because we get the information of what people are searching for. And all we gotta do then is to make the answers to those search results. There is a saying that says that the quickest way to get what you want is to help others get what they want. And that's basic thing, like create a problem and then give the solution. That's what all of these elite companies, business, whatever, they're doing exactly that. They create the problem and they sell you the solution. So in this way, you are just having the problems which you can research. And look at these graphs. It's really, really useful. So for example, if I just go into gardening right now, I can see that it was good. It was hot around April 14th, 2023. But now it's on the decline. Well, it's just like logical, simply because we go into winter and there's not a lot of gardening happening, right? But have a look at this. If I just type in like home, and there is a category which is like home inspo. And this is used for inspiration when you just wanted to make something around your home. You can see you can compare these keywords. I'm just going to shut off this one, and you can see that home inspo is a really good thing. If you type in home inspo in the Pinterest search bar, you will know what I mean, because these are the things that people are looking when they just want to make a change in their homes. For example, they just wanted to make a purchase, some new things in their living room, or they just wanted to get like this crazy hot tub, whatever it is. And there is a thing on Pinterest which is really, really important for us and makes things easier. There is a study that shows us that Pinterest users have a certain buyer intent. Now, this means that people go over to Pinterest when they already want to purchase something. And if you put the right button in the right post, you will get a lot of conversions. And also, Pinterest demographics is something that you need to know when you do the research, because as you can see, 76.2% of Pinterest audiences are female and 17.2% are male. This can help you to get yourself a good niche. But please, just don't go and throw yourself into many of these niches. Don't lose focus. Just focus on one niche and do it right. So, how to make these posts? Well, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is to find a perfect profile like this one is, for example. They've got a lot of followers, they've got a lot of monthly views, and you can see what they're working on, all right? And you don't have to create these yourself, all right? You can use Instagram. You can use TikTok as well. Basically, you can just repost, but you have to give credit. Have a look at this profile. It's called Woodworking Projects, and they're just reposting TikToks. And have a look at this. 3.4 million monthly views. They've got a lot of followers, but just have a look at this video. If you open up this video and see like the caption, you can see credit given to a certain profile on TikTok. And that's everything that you need to do. Find a video on TikTok, download it, and just repost it. But you have to give credit, like this person has been doing it. Of course, if someone finds out, and for example, this person finds out and tells you that, oh, hey, could you just take down your video because it's my video? Of course you're gonna do that. But trust me, in 90% That's not going to happen. If you give the credit, well, people like that as well because they will just go on TikTok to check this profile as well. But now, what is important is that you put your affiliate link for whatever it is. As you can see, this is the link in the description, and when I click on it, I will be redirected to a certain landing page, and of course, I can buy something from here. Or I can just subscribe to a certain newsletter, and then I'm just gonna get a lot of emails which are gonna sell me something. Also, I found this page on Instagram. It has a lot of reach. It has a lot of traffic, as you can see. For example, if I just click on this one, you can see there's 4,000 likes. All right, so this is a really good one. You can do the research yourself, and the next step that you can do is you just have to find the product which is relevant to your niche. Of course, before I go any further, you don't have to choose this niche. You can choose fitness niche. You can choose gardening as well, because in the springtime, it's going to be hot again. Or you can just choose the food niche, or maybe, I don't know, some healthy lifestyle niche, whatever you want. To find the products, you can just go over to Digistore24, or you can just go over to this website, which is called kit.co. And this website allows you to make yourself some kits. There's a lot of products on the website, and there's a lot of links. Some of these are working with Amazon. So all you gotta do is to create yourself like a shop on Kitco, and whenever people are just clicking on your link, they will be redirected to Kitco, and they will see your items. And when they click on these items and make a purchase, you get a commission for it. As you can see, for example, this person is to certain film and editing equipment. And for example, they just gather all of the related products in that niche in their shop. And each one of these links is going to lead them, for example, to Amazon, to Newegg, Walmart, and they will get a commission whenever you buy something. Amazon is really special because it works in a different way because, for example, if people click on your link and they, for example, don't like this drone, it's like too expensive for them, or they just want it to another thing, they usually just scroll down and they just gather like, I don't know, this one. But what Amazon does is that they just give you the commission even if they purchase another product, because Amazon has something which is called 24 hours cookies, all right? And then they just track the customer for 24 hours and they can buy whatever in that period of time, and you will get the commission. Amazon is really good. You should consider it. Now, I do recommend you make a simple research about these profiles, these bigger ones, and see what kind of like logo they have, what kind of banner they have, and what kind of bio they have. For bio, you can just use ChatGPT. You can tell it to write it for you, and you will get a really good bio. And of course, for the picture, the logo, the banner, you can just use canva.com. You can even use it for your posts because Canva has a lot of templates. It's free to use. Just avoid these that have a crown. You have to pay for these, but all of these other ones, they're free to take. Just make few edits and they're yours. So, to recap this, just use Pinterest trends, all right? That is the first step. Just find a niche, something that is really good. Hopefully, it can be related to women more if you want to use Pinterest, and then start reposting. Instagram, TikTok, whatever. And of course, find the products that are going to give you those commissions. Trust me, it's not hard. You just have to be consistent. You have to work for it. I mean, just like anything else. If you invest a lot of time and effort into this one, and if you are patient and dedicated, the money will come. A lot of people are doing this, but a lot of them fail as well, just because they're lazy. You know, at the end, all of these that make money, that have a lot of followers, are the people who are persistent. All right? So just go and do some more research. Use this free search tool. Like, you get all of these keywords there. You have the information, what people are searching for. I mean, that's enough on its own. So now you just have to go and find these products. All right? So Pinterest.trends, your beautiful best partner in this one. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you.